Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to write perfect emails with Grammarly AI. So here is how to write perfect emails with Grammarly AI step-by-step guides, and you will just simply log in Grammarly easily, and after login you will see like this of interface. I will just tab on it new, and after here you will just define the purpose of your email, and Grammarly AI helps you customize your tone and intent. So if I just give them command, I will just tab on it this right with generative AI, and from here I will just give them command to write a professional email to follow up on a job application sent last week. So I will just tab on it. Let's see. So it will create a professional email for me with the help of Grammarly AI assistant. So if I want to just make it assertive, I will just tab on it and let's see. Now my application on assertively, you will see. And if you want to this application you want to short it, so I will just tab on it, simply shorten it, and let's see. So here you will see my application on my job, it is on very short run. So in this way you can just use a perfect email with using Grammarly AI assistant. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.